Hello, and welcome to Cindy's Corner. I have a little challenge for you today. If you've got this book, One Windy Day, go get it so you can follow along. And we're going to have to, teachers will, or kids will have to stop the video so that you can talk about it with your friends and come up with the right answer. And then you'll go back, okay? One windy day. So if you've got this book and you already know the answers, don't tell everybody. Wait until it's time. All right. The author is Tammi Salzano. The illustrator is Hannah Wood. One windy day. Looks pretty fun. Look at that tree house. Says open. Says post office. Let's see. You think post office is going to be in a tree house? I don't either. Fox, that's why it's in a tree, loves the wind. But today, one windy day means, ready? Uh-oh. It goes up, and the opposite of up is, share with your friends, down. What goes up must come down. Okay? Got it? So we got a little opposites going on. Up, down. Ready? Wet. If it's not wet, it's dry. Good. Left. You use your left hand. And if you don't use your left hand, you use your right hand. Good. Something might be high. Some consider me, because I'm way up there, I'm high. And some might be low. High, low. Good. Something might be near, and if it's not near, it's, share, far. Good. Near, far. Oh, you'll like this one. This bear had to go over the fence. If he could not go over the fence, he has to go under. Good. The sun gives us light. If it's not light outside, it's, share with your friends. Good. Dark. Light, dark. If school is open today, what's opposite of open? What would it be tonight? Open. Maybe your door is open and then it's closed. Good. Open, closed. Fox loves windy days. Thank you, because it gave him a chance to do all of his opposites. Now, on the comments, I want you to tell me a couple of opposites. Talk about it with your friends and come up with opposites. And then share them with me on Cindy's Corner. And if you share with me, and I've got your email or a way to get a hold of you, or you send me a message, I will put your name in the drawing for the end of the month. I have my new release book on Amazon. It's called Why Bears Hibernate All Winter. And I'm going to be giving this book away. I have not read this one yet online. I might save that for a special reading. Give you time if you want to purchase that. It's on Amazon. You can get that. It's really a good book and a good story. And you might learn something too. It's fun. So give me your opposites. And most important, you've hit that thumbs up and subscribe button, because I need my subscribers out there. It's fixing to be summertime, and I need you subscribing so that you can watch me during summer, do some of my challenges. And most important, give somebody a hug and tell them you love them. Have a great day.